Unit 2, Lab 1, Number Guessing Game. Go to the File menu, Save As, and save a new project as U2L1 Number Guessing. Start building a new command block called Number Guessing Game that will contain the code for the game. Leave the block editor open. Okay, so remember you can right-click and go to Make a Block, or at the bottom of any palette, it'll say Make a Block. Okay, we're calling this Number Guessing Game, pressing OK. We're just going to leave that open for now. In a number guessing game, the player tries to guess the computer's secret number. The computer needs a way to store the secret number in a variable so that it can compare it to the player's guesses. This is going to be a script variable, something that's going to hold a value just for the script, not for the entire program. So you can read this, please. Read this information. But here's the next step. Create a script variable called secret number to store the number that the player will try to guess. Okay, so I'm going to go here to Variables. I'm going to pull out a Variables palette. And I'm going to name the variable by clicking here and calling it secret number. Okay, so now I've named the variable. Use set_to set the initial value of secret number to a random number from 1 to 10. The set menu lets you select which variable. Okay. Oh, here it is. Set variable to set. It's not showing up. Maybe I need to clip it in. Oh, there it goes. Secret number to a random number from 1 to 10. So here's some information about how things are written on the AP exam and what a local variable is. Okay, you got to read this on your own. And here are 2 self-check questions. So you can do that on your own. Okay, so just again, there's a bunch of info. Please read it and then answer these questions on your own. All right, now we're on page 2. On this page, you'll continue to develop your number guessing game to accept player guesses until the player guesses correctly. All right, pause for a minute and gather these blocks. Gather these blocks, okay? You should be in here already. Gather these blocks together. Okay, and read this information. All right, we're going to use repeat until to ask the player to guess the secret number until their answer equals the secret number. We haven't used this yet, but ask and answer go together. It asks a question and then it stores the user input in a variable, a very local variable called answer. It only stores it there until another question is asked. So what do we want to repeat until? Okay, what do we want to do? We want to ask, what's my secret number? You can change the question if you want to be creative. And then what do we want to repeat until? We want to repeat until the secret number is equal to the answer that's given. secret number is equal to the answer. So we're just going to drag these variables in like this. That's really all there is to it. Here's some information about what this would look like. It would look like a display and then an input request. And then after the player guesses the secret number, make the computer congratulate the player. All right, so we can just have it say, congrats, you guessed my number. Oops. Okay, where was that? Under variables. By the way, if you don't give a color to a game, it's going to be gray and it's going to be in the variables block. Okay, so let's click this all together and see if it works. Let's save too. Oh, here it is. What's my secret number? 5. Nope. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it was 10. Geez. Okay, so that works, but that's a pretty boring game to play. So maybe we can make it better. All right, read the rest of the info here on page 2 of Unit 2, Lab 1. Right, it's got information about the vocabulary, predicate, and Boolean value, conditionals and condition, and then there are 3 self-check questions. Okay, and then for those scholars out there and you know who you are, check out this if there is time. All right, that's it for today, pages 1 of 2 of Unit 2. You're not going to submit it yet, so wait until we finish the lab. Thanks.